Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watchdog's coming with yet another unboxing. Today's triple unboxing is courtesy of Kevin of a long time watch again. Appreciate you, Kevin, for setting up these tours. I had set up to view these watches all individually, but they just all happen to come in at once, which is pretty cool because it seems like I'm starting to get a whole lot of content coming in, so which is good. As you know, I've been trying to work on channel content a little more. Quick swatch check. I am wearing that Raymond wheel that Saltzman sent in, hence the hang tag. Enjoying this piece while I got in. Pretty cool, funky little piece for right around $2,000 for entry-level luxury, guys. Look for the full review of that coming soon. Now, again, these three brands are micro brands, and the cool thing about this is it's almost like it's Christmas here in the channel every time, almost every week, because I'm constantly getting new content, new watches that you guys send in, or new watches the company send in. And by the way, guys, if you are interested in sending in a watch or lending in a watch to the channel, I'll leave a link to my email down below if you guys want to send in a watch review. If you think it's one I haven't seen, one I'd be interested in. As you know, I do cover all price points, guys. I don't stir from one way or the other to luxury or entry level, guys. But again, these happen to be micro brands, so this is a triple micro brand unboxing. Now the Neucarl, I'm gonna have to get out quick, I guess, because there's something to do with the owner. I won't get the details, so I'll have to send that out soon. So I don't know if I'll do the review right after this and put that out tomorrow, or if I'll just go ahead and send the watch out, guys. But it's still cool to get the look at the watch nonetheless, guys. And I do appreciate Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch for setting these tours up, getting a hold of these brands. It's pretty cool for him doing the legwork, guys. I'll leave a link down to his channel down below. Go show him some love. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe over there. Tell him that I sent you. But anyways, guys, on to the unboxing. Okay, guys, here are the said watches in question. Now, this one came wrapped in plastic. It didn't really come in a box or anything, so I think that's how the last reviewer sent it. Dane, I believe, sent it. My first look at a Hemel. Pretty cool to be able to check this chronograph out, this company out. So I've always been interested in checking them out. First impressions overall, definitely pretty well quality made, guys. It looks like it's perfect kind of grab and go kind of chronograph, guys. It has that Zen kind of esque kind of feel. If you catch my drift, it kind of has that feel a little bit. Overall, first impressions, looks like a quality made chronograph, guys. Again, I'll have to do more research on this one just to get ready for it and show you guys the review. Thanks again for sending this one out, Dane, and again, Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch for setting this tour up. Now, the other one that I've been interested in, I've contacted the company, but to no avail a couple times. Undone, I've always been interested in checking out Undone. This is the base camp model. This is a pretty cool dive watch, guys. First impressions, it seems to be pretty cool watch, almost like a California dial, guys. I do believe it is that Seiko NH movement. Look for a full review of this guy coming up. Again, it has that pretty cool California dial. Nothing too crazy. This is kind of entry level, kind of diver watch, and it does come with this almost tropic style canvas, I guess you could say. Here's the case back. There goes that Seiko movement. I do believe it's Seiko. It's either Seiko or Miyota movement. Like I said, I'll have to do more research on this piece before I do the review, guys. Again, pretty cool to check out an Undone and a Hemel all at once here. Two brands that I've never had on the channel before, guys, which is pretty cool. So I'm checking out for the first time with you guys. Now, this is another brand that I've never really heard of, but the piece looked kind of interesting. And Neucarl, I do believe they are on Kickstarter right now, guys. Let me get this piece open here. Here's Neucarl, kind of it gives me kind of that dress kind of vibe watch with kind of more modern kind of flair here. It's got the silver dial, pretty cool look overall, guys. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'll have time to do this review or not. I'll have to do a little bit more research on this piece so I can get it back out today, guys. Keep the tour rolling, guys. So that's how it goes sometimes. It's pretty cool to get to check this out. Anyways, guys, this has been the triple unboxing of 3 different micros, guys. So it's pretty cool to get to check out these 3 different micros here. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you thought about getting any of these pieces, the Undone, the Neucarl, or the Hemel? Do you own any of these pieces? If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as I do come out with unboxings, reviews, topic videos, and live streams on the daily, guys and girls. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.